A little backyard appeal. Welcome back, Eloc Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Today's mission is to, I guess you can call it garden, yard, landscape renovation. I don't know. I'm out here rearranging, moving things around, repositioning things, being completely OCD-ish. A new look for spring 2024. Let's just put it that way. All right, so I'm so used to coming out of the house, walking down this pathway, and seeing the white bench here in this spot. Now it's there. So this is pretty bare here. So let's see what we can do to fill back in this area. I mean, the bareness is fine, but just not what I want to do. A little curb appeal, a little backyard appeal. It's not going to get done just standing there. Come on, Eloc Nation. Come on, let's go. Love everybody. Nine Delta.
I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh,
being busy? Do you see I'm doing something? Barking at me.
I'm coming home to you.
All right, I did quite a bit of work without you guys, sorry. My battery was low. I wanted to take you all along. So while my battery was charging, I decided to go ahead and just get some things done. Let me show you a few changes. So change number one, I grabbed these planters and I put them inside the raised beds. What I'm envisioning, some sort of a tall arrangement here. I'm seeing a lot of color, pansies. I have all of my veggies growing underneath, but I want to add flowers and veggies to my garden beds this year. I think it'll be a really great display of color as well as food growing. These containers definitely need to be washed and scrubbed down. They are pretty dusty. That mirror, originally the plan was to spray paint the border green. That never happened. And I just kind of sat it there. When you're working on projects like this, when it's still winter, you definitely have to have a good imagination. So I can imagine it. I don't know if you all, do you see it? See flowers and color, blooming, creativity, activity, all the ivities. I'm excited for spring, y'all. All right, I still need to finish up this small area here. I'm not sure this umbrella is going to stay here in this spot. I needed to do something with it for now, but yeah, between now and spring, it could change 3-4 times. I'm known to do that. The chairs from over there to over here at a slant. I added this greenery here. May or may not stay permanently. If you guys remember here, I had zinnias and sunflowers and just an assortment of flowers here. We're going to repeat that. Yeah, I just need to finish up this last part and things may change. Just for now, I really needed this. I needed to get out here and just take in this fresh air into my lungs, and I'm feeling really good. Feeling quite accomplished. All right, so this is how it turned out. And there may be some other things planted in between these. I've even thought about some fruit trees here. Yeah, so we've got to plant up these containers really nice. And yeah, bring some color out here. A little livelihood. A little spunk. I've got a lot of spring cleaning to do. Probably need to bring back hashtag Spring Outdoor Projects 2024. Show me what you got. 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 Yeah, might have to bring that back because I got a lot of spring projects. You show me your projects, I'll show you mine. A little show and tell. Yeah, Spring Outdoor Projects 2024. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.